This 2011 Forest River Berkshire 390BH is a Class A RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 39 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 10, slide-out, awning, leveling jacks, air conditioning, smoke detector, TV, water heater, LP detector, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, and 86 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk beds, front entertainment, front living area, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath. This 2011 Forest River Berkshire 390BH is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.